This is pretty. Hi loves, welcome to my channel. So my name is Diasha. If you're new here, I make beauty and lifestyle videos. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. So today we are going to be doing this bronzy full glam makeup. This is perfect for date night, and with Valentine's Day coming up, I hope that this gives you some inspiration. If you like this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. We are going to go ahead and moisturize our face per usual with our Bobbi Brown face base. So you always want to start with a moisturized face because this is going to help your makeup look the best. I'm gonna put on primer because I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to film a tutorial for you guys, but if I was going to put on primer, I would put on my one size oil sucker primer. I use this all the time because I am oily, and this is one of the best primers that I've used for oily skin. I think that I want to go ahead and start with the eyes first because I'm thinking that I want to do something kind of bronzy for more like a full glam look, especially if like you're going out at night or you are going out on a date. So that's what I'm shooting for. This color in my crease, I'm just going to sweep that across. You want to use a fluffy brush. Then I think I'm gonna go in with this cocoa brown color right here. I'm going to go in I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Take the darkest shade here, and we're going to put it on the waterline to create like a smoky effect. Bring it all the way out because we're going to fix it. And you're gonna go in and smoke it out. This is like a very sultry eye. Now I'm going to move on to the face. So I'm going to use my NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and we're going to put this on. This is in the shade Deep 1. So since this is going to be like Valentine's Day focused, you want to pick a good foundation that's going to take really good pictures. And I think that this foundation looks really good in pictures, and it just gives you a really nice look. Get it everywhere. I'm going to use 2 of my Black Opal True Color sticks. So I have Snatch Sepia and I have Ebony Brown. Ebony Brown is really dark and rich, and this is more of like a contour, and then this is more of like my bronzing shade, my everyday shade. But I'm gonna put the two together so it's not too much, and I'm gonna try that out. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take them like this, and I'm just gonna dip into both of them. Warm it up on the back of my hand. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Hourglass concealer, and then I'm going to go back over it with the Toasted Almond Huda Beauty concealer, putting these two together. So I'm going to place it where I normally do. Forehead. Nose. Remember I said that we were going to go back. We're going to take that concealer and clean up what we did on the eye. For full coverage, I'm going to go in and blend this with a brush first. This is the Real Techniques setting brush, 402 brush, really good for blending out concealer under the eye. So we're going to, oh darn it, I forgot to do blush first, but it's okay, we'll go back over it. concealer is, this is a really good concealer. I can't say it is pricey, but I feel like it's worth it. For liquid blush, before I go in with the other concealer, I don't want to forget, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Pink Lady blush. I want to keep it real sponge and just dab it out. Now, going back in with the Huda Beauty to brighten, you want to concentrate it right here to help brighten under the eye. We're going to go ahead and start setting the face, so I'm going to go ahead and set around my face with the MAC Studio Fix powder. Cream, you just want to kind of just start setting it just like that. Just a light first layer. I'm going to go in with my One Size Sweet Honey setting powder. You want to do a light layer. This is where you want to carve out the nose, the shape that you're kind of wanting. Set those brows. We're going to go ahead and set our contour and our bronzer. I'm going to be using my True Complexion contour palette by Black Radiance. This is dark to deep, and I'm going to go in and use that Sculpt shade just to deepen up what I did. Kind of want to press it in. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place blush, volume 4. Focus on the high points. To blend everything together, I'm going to go ahead and take a under eye brush by Morphe. This is the M536 brush, and press in the powder and blend in the blush together. Some nose contour. For lashes, I'm going to be using the 3D Faux Mink lashes by Lily Lashes. These are the style Mykonos, and I'm going to put these on. Okay, so the lashes are on. So now we are going to smoke out the bottom of the under eye. And I use the term smoking out, but it just means like creating like a smoky eye look. We're gonna go back into our palette and we are going to pick up these two shades right here. I'm going to go in with my usual mascara. Time for highlight. This one is an older product, but I really love it. It's the Master Chrome by Maybelline Face Highlighter. I don't even know if they make these anymore, but I know that this is going to give me the bronzy look that I'm looking for. Right at the tip of the cheeks. Finally, it's time for lips. So for lips, I'm going to be trying the new MAC. What are these? These are the new Maximal Sleek Satin colors. This is the old color that they brought back. This is peach stock, but this is gonna be my first time trying it. I think it'll look perfect. I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Chestnut. This is pretty. It feels like butter. So this is what peach stock looks like. To add a little pink to it, I'm going to go over it with the Buxom Plumping Gloss. This is the shade Dolly. This is the finished look. I am in love with this look. This is like a full glam date night look to me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please give me a like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.